Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lock mode on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here swipe left on the screen to scroll to the next page. Now, find the water lock mode icon. It looks like this, the water droplets rather. And to enable the mode, you simply tap on this icon. You will see the water droplets on the screen, and this means that the water lock mode is enabled. And what this mode does is basically it turns off the touch screen. So, for example, if you want to swim with your watch on or take a shower with your watch on, the screen won't go crazy when it's touching the water, because it would normally. And if you want to disable the water lock mode, simply press and hold the home button until it turns off. So press and hold for 2 seconds, like this. It's gonna start playing the sound to eject the water, and after it's done, it should be disabled, like that. And that's how you enable and how you disable the water lock mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.